Assalamuallaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. Arabic Classes with Nia presents Months in Arabic. So get ready to learn all the 12 months of the year in Arabic. Are you ready? So let's begin. First month we have January, in Arabic known as Yanayir. Let's repeat, Yanayir. Next month we have February, in Arabic Febrayir. Let's repeat, Febrayir. So now we have March, which means Mars. Let's repeat, Mars in Arabic. Next we have April, in Arabic known as Abril. Let's repeat, Abril. Next we have May, in Arabic Mayu. Let's repeat, Mayu. Next we have June, and let's see what to say that in Arabic. It is Yunyu. And we have July, which is very similar to June, but it is lam instead of noon, Yuliu. Next we have August, which is Agustus. Let's repeat, Agustus. Next we have September, in Arabic September. Let's repeat, September. Next we have October, in Arabic October. Let's repeat, October. Next we have November, which means November. Let's repeat, November. All of the months are a little similar to the English word. December is December. Let's repeat, December. Now we have to know some very important points. So let's see what's the important point. So in June and July, they are very similar words, but you should not get confused by them. For June, it is with noon, Yunyu, but July, it is with lam, Yuliu. So you should never get confused between July and June. Question and answer session. Are you ready for that? Let's begin. We have few instructions. There will be 3 questions. Watch the video again to memorize and then start the quiz. 3. If you are not able to answer, there is another chance you can answer in true or false question session. You get 5 seconds to answer a question. Answers will be provided right after the questions. So are you ready for that? So let's begin. First question. What do you call December in Arabic?
December.
Congratulations, your answer was correct. It was December. Our next question. What do you call March in Arabic?
Mars.
Wow, your answer was correct. It was Mars. Next question. What do you call June in Arabic?
You knew.
Wow, yes, it was Yunyu. True or false questions. First question. July in Arabic is Yunyu.
False.
Yes, you were right. It was false. January in Arabic is Yanayir.
True.
Yes, it was true. Thank you. Bye. Masalama. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next video.